Hello guys and welcome back to another video. In today's video we are here with the bonus footage, kind of second one. Yeah, I just kind of thought I should say something about it. Currently in my room actually, just in a minute. I'm not in the garage because it's freezing cold. Fixing the old manta ray, the suspension is needing some new oil, so I'm just topping that all up and that's going to be going all back together. So yeah, I just thought I should make another one of these videos. Thank you guys all the way at the minute for the support on the videos as well. They have been ridiculous. I'm here. They have been absolutely ridiculous. I've been averaging at the minute. I've been averaging 50 views every 4 days. And if we keep that rate up, we'll be there very, very soon. At the target that I want to be at. So it will take about a year at the minute the way we're going to get there. If I keep uploading. I want to get there. So, I mean, as fast as I can, I want to be there. So yeah, if any, you know, like companies, everyone sponsors me, go to my About My channel and there's a email address that you can like send to me. And I'll read through and see if I like the look of it, see if it's something that I want to be into. And I'll phone you back or email you back or something like that. And yeah. Get a complaint, not complaint, a little talk to you about. Anyways, enjoy the video guys, like, subscribe, watch every single one of my videos and I'll see you later.
No, the body!
The body, man!
No!
And fingers.
That's what you get on a wheelie car, that's what happens when you wheelie it too much. See, it's a beast!
The donut and bees, you just get up. Okay, it's alright.
Have a look!
Sorry mate, sorry. This isn't my job, by the way, it's Frankie.
Oh, okay.
Well, try back.
Yeah, try back with it. Oh, nearly.
We did it the weekend.
Alright, bring it back.
Sorry, sorry.
Oh, Lav, you're right.
Sorry, mate.
Alright,
Okay, let's get up.
okay, bring it back.
I'm just going to have a pee on your leg, man.
No, she's not going to pee on my leg. She doesn't have the guts to. Alright. Alright, you hold that. That's it. Sorry,
you do it to my leg.
filming,
Do it to my leg, do it to my legs, I don't care.
No, I'll do it to mine, it's easier. You just do it like this. Is that right?
Here's like.
Okay, yeah, got it. Oh, no.
Oh, sort of backflip.
Is your throttle trimming? Yeah, it is.
I thought it was alright.
Oh,
so
that
close.
is sick.
Yeah, what is Huff doing? I'm just watching these kids.
Stop standing on the glass. You hurt yourself.
Huff, mate, there's glass everywhere. What are you doing?
Oh, you missed it.
Did you get it?
Yeah, I did it.
Oh, I missed it, damn it. I need to improve my skills.
Do it again.
Okay. There you go. Mastered the backflip. Can I just say, guys?
60 quid for a car that backflips.
It's pretty good.
But that is.
Can I just say as well? My channel has actually been blowing up recently. Since the new year, all right, we have got 500 views overall.
Really, that's pretty impressive.
In over 5 videos, we've got 500 views. So currently we're averaging 100 views, which is insane, guys. I'm really thanking you for all the support. Channel's actually starting to become pretty big.
60 quid for a 4-wheel drive car. That is.
Yeah. So the weekend, this will probably be out either this weekend, or I might bring the Tamiya Manta Ray video out for you. We did the weekend. We did loads of footage with the Manta Ray. Hopefully we'll get that video out. Bear in mind, RCs are out every Sunday, and I've just got loads of videos ready to go, and I'll just put them out. So typically, wait, hang on, do it with me.
Alright, ready?
Wait, hang on.
Yeah.
Wait, go now. Easy, easy. Keep doing it. Keep doing it.
There she is.
Sure. I don't think I had it on charge before. Go. Easy. It feels so much nicer than the granite on the legs. If you guys own a granite, try and do a backflip on your legs because it kills. It kills. Can I just say, also very soon I'll go through all my cameras that I've got now. Might be buying another GoPro for my friend. Hopefully I will. I've got already this GoPro.
It should be cooler. Look at the way it just gets over there.
I think it kind of is a
cooler.
Jeez. Yeah, so I'll be taking this place to like Arc Raceway in Cambridge. You may have heard of Kevin Tour, but he goes there all the time. It's going to be doing Shuttlesworth, all that lot. Really just this year. Watch out, mate. This year I'm going to just kind of have a bit of fun before my GCSEs. Next year, I am 15.
Ready?
So next year.
Oh.
It's fine. Look, seriously, steer. It'll be fine. Yeah, it's fun.
Wow.
It's fun.
One more go.
You couldn't do that with many RC. Wait, keys. Wind the body. Hang on. I'm gonna be here.
No, it's fine. I'll get it. I'll actually get it.
Keys, Mark, do you want to get it in a better position here, mate?
Alright, ready?
Go.
See? Fine.
Shoo! I think we'll stop doing that now. I've got some spare. Wait, hang on, stop a minute, Keys. Wait, the pins are just starting to come out. In a weird angle. No, coming in a weird angle.
Give it.
Right, how's the time? Right, we're gonna go to the dirt track in a couple of minutes. We're gonna have a bit of fun.
And that servo is way better than my grandma.
Yeah. Also, installing. I'm gonna do some wrenching soon on the man's ray. Doesn't need any at the minute. But if you want to see a video of me taking this thing all apart, my general fixing. Hello, mate.
Can you see for the wheelie?
My general fixing. You go.
Wheelie, ready?
No, suck that off, mate. So yeah, that'll be coming out very soon.
Oh, nearly.
Oh, dead, Keys. So yeah, my editor, I thank you so much. I would say I love you, but I'm not gay or anything like that, and not homo. But thank you so much. He's a great driver as well. Really, thank you. Oh, the man with the plane's gone. No.
No. Oh, no. We're gonna ask him as well.
We're gonna ask him if we could do some plane footage. Oh well, that'll be coming out soon.
So
my friend has got some planes, so if he does allow us to fly down here. Yeah, and drones. We've got loads of really cool stuff. Gaming now, I'm not doing any gaming at all. I'm just gonna quit gaming now completely.
This is
just
purely.
This is just a pure RC channel and dog. Huff, you're in the video, mate.
You're just not filming the RC car anymore. It's more dog channel.
A dog channel, this is. Well, this is the first bonus video, you know. Bonus video #1, you know. Right, we're going to turn all of our cars off, go in the car, get some sweets, and then we're going to go to the dirt track.
Watch this.
Jesus. We're going to go to the dirt track for about 20 minutes.
I'm trying to flip it. Hold on.
These are pretty useless, mate.
I know, I am.
Right, turn that off, Keith. Right, we're going to go to the dirt track. See you in a bit.
We're here, dirt track, yes.
Trying to avoid Half.
Yes, Half is in the middle, right there. Right, here we are, Tamio. Half, watch out. Watch out for the car. Come on. There you go. Whoa. Whoa.
I want to go quiet, but Half is
Rally. No. Whoa.
So you guys, there'll be another video out in a bit. Not today, not tomorrow, but probably Friday. So it will be tomorrow. Just regarding what my plan is for the year. We're back in the back row. She's back out, and we're running. I will be going in 10 minutes. So.
Oh, whoa! Just got out.
Really?
Oh no, out of range.
Is it dead already?
Run away.
Is it dead? Is that fly out?
No, run away. Look, I'm not pressing anything.
We got run away.
Yeah.
Run away! Yay! You break a bike?
What break?
Hang on a minute.
That's
Oh, legit? Oh wait, hang on. Wait, put it on the brakes. Try one thing. Go now, Keys.
There you go. Whoa!
Factory reset there for the manta ray. Sorry if I'm not speaking brilliant, I've got some skills of up. That didn't sound too good. Are you all good?
Yeah, she's good.
All good. Cold day. Half, mate, what are you doing? The engine might be overheating.
Yeah, probably.
Do you just call that a day?
No, I think it's alright.
No, I think it's
I think it's the battery.
Batteries are fine, mate. I can completely charge that.
Hold on.
I think the engine might be overheating, mate. I don't think that might be it. Go now. I really think it's the motor.
Let me turn it on and off.
Mark 2 of factory reset.
Alright, there you go.
Yeah, I think it's dead, mate. I do think the motor would burn the motor out.
Oh, no.
We killed the Tamiya.
Literally.
Dead man's away.
Half is dead.
Half, what's your opinion, mate?
Yeah, what do you think of it, Half? Here you go. What do you think of it, Half? Yeah, what do you think? Oh, nice.
She ain't interested.
Yeah, good. Cool. Good chat with you, Half. Yeah.
Love that from you today, mate.
Yeah. Shall I leave the battery in or take it out?
Yeah, just don't worry. Send it off. Oh, what I'll do is clean when I get back. Set it all off. Right,
Yeah.
we're going to pack up. We're going to start heading home. And I will see you back at my house. There might be a little bit actually in between. Well, I'll put some. Wait, don't put that in back of keys. Bring that on. Not necessary. I'll meet you back at my house when I'm going to clean it, put the batteries on charge, and just show you what I do after the day.
Oh, no. Gotta run it until it's dead. Oh, she's flipped. Oh, muddy, muddy, muddy. That's the only problem with mud is you have to clean it after. Oh, bring it back.
And we'll do what?
Oh, now she's dead. Oh my God, where's my dog? Oh, how? Come on.
Right, welcome back. Sorry, just gonna grab a load of things. So I'm back and just show you what will happen after the day. Man's very, very mucky. But everything all needs to go back on charge. So, the only batteries I used already up there. Spare bodies up there, chargers, car. All of that's malarkey. Right, so to actually charge the Spirit, you gotta take off the 2 clips. Apologies if this footage at the end isn't brilliant, but I've nobody with me, so I'm lonely. Right. It's so simple to charge the thing up. Right. Take that off. A little bit of charge still left in it, but there we go. I'll give it a little clean up in a bit. Make sure it's all working still. So all you do is there. So all you do is you get this. It's literally just an all USB. That goes into there. I'm going to plug that into my extension lead so it'll feed. So that goes into the extension lead, and then I just plug this little bit here into the car, and there you go. Lights up, all fine. So Spirit's already on charge. Spirit normally takes about, I normally give it an hour on charge. So the current time is 10 past 8. So about 9 o'clock we're coming down and check, make sure that's all done. So, that's all fine. That's all good. I will do a proper wrenching video of how I maintain all the cars soon, but not now. This is just a... Sorry, pardon me. Right. So for this one now, my Tamiya one. Oh, sorry, it's a bit hard to do this on one-handed. There we go. I think it starts beeping now. There you go, that's what it is. All I've got. That's all on, so I don't know. Oh, much more. That in. There you go. That's charging. Press that. Now that is all charging. Everything's charging. I need to grab this and put this back up here. Right. That's all done. There's charge batteries. You're not done yet. There we go. We'll do that again. Right. Back over here. Oh, God. What? The wrong battery. Can I use these? Maybe I just didn't use it. Oh no, I didn't even use this one. I didn't even grab the other one. I didn't grab the one that's currently in the car. By the way, I'm still vlogging on the GoPro because I don't know, just for using it, it's kind of, it's nice. That's really nice. Right, that's all good. It wasn't even plugged in. That's probably why the car wasn't used. That's just what I use. So at some point when I'll come through and just go through all the stuff I use, I don't use too much. I just use some of the very, very standard stuff. Come on. Come on. It's so cold here. But this is what I live. God, trying to be quiet. There we go. It's on charge. As you can see. Right. So, I'm going to clean this all up. And then at the end, I'll do the outro. And I'll show you how it looks now. So there you go, guys. I've cleaned the car up. It looks a lot better than it did. There's still a little bit of dirt on there. But yeah, that is it. That's the day. These are the cars I use. All of them live up here on this shelf up here. This is the main shelf. This is me. This is what I do. Now, guys, there will be a video out very, very soon explaining. It's a very kind of late New Year's resolution for me on YouTube. But I'll be out. You serious? Oh, it's such a weak connection thing. Literally, if anyone goes near it, it will literally just cut out. I know it's not done because we literally used it for half an hour straight. By the way, this is what my motor looks like now. I had a comment in the last video actually about what motor it is. I don't know exactly what it was, but it's pretty good. Hopefully the weekend I'll also get some vlog footage of the toy shop that we're going to go to. It's our local one. Maybe even get a sponsor from him, which would be super, super cool if you actually get a sponsor. Hopefully they deliver some really, really cool things. Also, if anyone wants to see what the other bodies look like on the cars, this is what they look like. I've got my normal one that people have seen. Pretty sure you've seen some video of that on it. But this is the black one that my uncle gave to me. Which is really, really nice. I'm not actually going to put it on properly, but I think you can have a little guess of what it looks like. Actually, no, I may as well. I just got my pin on there. Just sit down there. Sorry if you're just falling over there, but I don't like using this body. This is kind of my show body. There you go. That's what it looks like. It looks quite nice. It looks quite nice. I am going to start racing this thing. I really, really want to start racing it. So, if anyone knows of good race tracks that they do racing at, that'll be amazing. Also going to join the flying club this year, which will also be pretty sick. That'll be a shut off. So, yeah, come along if you meet me. You know, just don't be afraid to say hi and all that lot. I know I haven't got many subscribers, you know, just come on and say. I want to give this thing a bit more of a clean up, and thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. This has been the very, very first extra time clips thing. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you later. Thank you guys so much for watching to the end of this video. If you have enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like on the video. Can we try and get to 100 views in 10 days? It sounds, the way you guys are doing in the minute, I'm getting about, I think it's 12 views every day, which is, you know, banging. I'm absolutely banging. So if this video gets 100 views in 10 days, then thank you guys for all the support. Anyways, like, subscribe, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you later.